Blessed to live so close to a Harbor Freight. I just went and got a what do they call these? Little test starter, remote starter switch or something. And I'm gonna attach it. Oh, that's not gonna give me enough room. Okay, I've already attached it to the purple wire down there on the starter. Got battery power. Let's see if it crank. Nothing. So I think that should fire, but it's not. So maybe there's a problem with the starter, because that's going directly from the battery. I've got my red positive connected to the battery, the negative is connected to the starter, and we're not getting anything. I'll clean it up a little bit and see if that helps, but I think my issue might be a starter issue. Weird. Got the engine to turn over. My great neighbor Mike came over. He's a mechanic. Guy knows his stuff. And we worked on the boat. Let me go ahead and show you what we did. It wasn't getting power, period. From the battery to the starter. Now, here's the starter and the starter solenoid. First thing we did was just clean all the contacts. We were losing quite a bit of voltage here on the negative cable. It's grounded over here. We're losing some voltage. There was some voltage drop there. Each of these just didn't have great connections. The positive terminal we cleaned up and made sure I had a good connection there, both here and on the starter solenoid. And in the end, we were finally able to get it to go. So I'm gonna go and turn the engine. I think what else we did. My initial test, I tried to connect to remote starter, and it turns out the S terminal is on the other side. This one right here, which has the purple wire, people just usually say, hey, I just put it hook it to the purple wire. That's not the S terminal. The S terminal is on the other side. So, let's see. Oh, I was thinking things are all messed up here. Let me just. Got the engine going. That's super exciting. One thing I did need to do, because the shift mechanism is taken off, I needed to take these wires and connect them, because this is kind of what tells the motor that it's, or the ignition, that the motor is in neutral. So I had to jump those wires. We'll put them back in when I reinstall this. I've got to fix the shift cable. So now I'm going to, I'm probably going to need to go get some new plugs. I think back here, the plugs have been removed. Yeah, they have. I'm not sure if you can see, but. So they've been removed, and hopefully they weren't blown out, but I think everything's good here. I'm going to install some new spark plugs, tighten them down. Where's the spark plugs? There. There's a spark plug. Install some new spark plugs, plug the wires on, then I'm going to throw some carb cleaner into this, and there's not carb cleaner, but some starter fluid, and see if it'll fire over. Keep going. Just dumping this starting fluid as fast as it'll go. It'll start. That's good. That's real good. I don't think my starting fluid's squirting out fast enough for it.
Anymore?
Nope.